Okay, we've been awaiting the departure of the American Airlines. I don't know what the hell it is. A Boeing, I think. No, maybe it's an Airbus. What is it?
It's a big fucker.
It's a big burger.
He's going over the other side.
Guys, come closer to the road. If you get blown back, you'll fall over the hill.
I can see that.
He's holding on to the bars.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure about this guy. We got moving there. Oh,
No, 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 no. Stay here. Come on. No, stay here. Stay here.
stop it there.
Look at this. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, hold on to me belt. Hold on to me belt. Now, he's going to have to wait until those cars are gone before he'll get permission to go. Move it!
God, hurry up.
Move it! Move it! You're holding up. Ah, come on, get out of the way.
Is your woman is holding on to the wire very tight there? Hasn't even started yet.
Now look, position your legs like that.